guys, it's Zia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a couple of things that I ordered. I have an order from Glossier. This is the first time I've ever ordered from them before, so I'm like really excited to open it up and try everything out. I did cheat a little bit. I tried the boy brow. I only used it that once though, never again, because I was like, it's not fair for me to unbox something when I've already taken one thing out of the box. Got a little Glossier sticker, how cute! Now on to the things that I actually ordered. Got this little bag here. I love how they put it in this little bubble wrap bag, and it's pink. This is cute. So the first thing I have here is Future Dew. It's an oil serum hybrid. Why did I get this? I don't remember what this does. Ooh, but it is pretty. I really love Glossier's packaging. It's just so nice and sleek. Like the more simple packaging is to me, I feel like the more beautiful it is. This glass is like iridescent. So here is the Future Dew. I don't wear a lot of makeup on most days anymore, so I wanted to try out Glossier because they're apparently like, you know, really natural makeup. Today I'm like very glammed up, but on most days I don't wear it anymore. It's just a dewy top layer. I don't know what this smells like, I can't tell, but it smells floral. I also got this cloud paint seamless cheek color in the color Beam. I'm not holding things well. Okay. There it is. There it is. What I've been doing lately when I do go out and I want to have a little bit of something on my face, I'll take my Origins primer that has a little bit of color to it and just smooth that all over my face, and then one of my ColourPop lippy sticks, the cherry one, I forget what it's called, but I put some of that on my cheeks, put it on my lips, and if I really feel like I want something on my eyes, I'll just take a little bit of that on my eyes and just like mess it up with my fingers, and it just like brings a rosy glow all over, and it kind of helps. So I'm thinking like cloud paint would probably do the same type of thing, right? So I got the color Beam. Take this thing off of here. Oh, there's a little bit of product on there. I should use that, because this stuff was expensive. I was not kidding. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's just pouring out. Okay. Like, don't do that. That was a lot of product that I did not want to use. So there's the cloud paint. This color is very peachy. Like from a distance, you can see it now. I wish I got something more pink. I didn't get any of the Glossier foundation, but if any of you guys have tried it and you think that's like actually worth it for a very light coverage makeup, let me know, because that's what I'm into nowadays. I want to put stuff on and not feel like there's anything on my face. The next thing I have here is bubble wrap. Oh, there's a dent in it. How dare you? Anyway, it's an eye and lip plumping cream. I am not worried about my lips very much. I have tons and tons of lip balms and hydrators and masks and scrubs. I really wanted this for my under eyes. A little pump of that. See that on my hand right there? Is very, wow. It actually feels thicker than it looked. That's nice. I am all about eye creams because my under eyes are the areas that I'm most worried about. My under eyes and like this little line here, and then the double chin goes away when I lose some weight. Oh, rosebomb.com. I've been so excited to try the bomb.com stuff because I've heard great things about it. I'm not the biggest fan of most florals, like lavender, not my thing. What's it, gardenia, not my thing. But rose is my ish. I was gonna say the other word, but you know, children sometimes watch with their parents. Ooh, this smells so good. Wow, this is really hard to push out. Okay, this is like false advertising because I am pushing. This looks like I have used a ton of it already, and I haven't used any. This better be good for just like the smallest little dot. It says use on lips, cuticles, elbows, on your friend, anywhere that needs some love. Just gonna rub this into my cuticles here. It smells like rose, like sweet rose. I'm here for that. I will say it feels nice. It feels like a creamier Vaseline. No stickiness, which is nice. It's the only reason I don't like Vaseline, is how sticky it gets. Oh, my cuticles feel soft. That's nice. But I've literally taken out a tiny little dot, and this is what it looks like. I'm disappointed. Okay, disappointed in that. The next thing I have here is Brow Flick. I got this in the shade Brown. Flick. Okay. There's the flicks. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. I think it's great for people who already have full brows that need just a little bit of help. I don't know. But brow, boy brow is so good. Like I really love it. I don't need it right now because I already have stuff on my brows. You can't see what it's doing, but I'm just like really excited to use it again ever since the one time that I used it. But when I did use it, it looked very natural, but at the same time it looked very full. It didn't really look like I was wearing anything on my brows. It just looked like my brows are naturally that way. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Look, it looks like I've been using it for a month. No wonder on the website everything looks like all crinkled. I thought they were just doing it for aesthetics, but no, that's literally how it turns out right after you use it for the first time ever. Alright, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me for a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so hope you guys stick around to see those because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button up above and follow all the social media thingies, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.